Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that Epic Games Launcher is not uninstalling. So for this you have to go to the task manager by clicking on the start button, then you have to search for the task manager option from here, and we're looking for the task manager. After you click on the task manager, you have to simply expand it, and then you have to search for the Epic Games from here. And once you are in the Epic Games, you have to right click on it, then you have to click on end task. After that you have to close this window, and then again you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the settings option from here. And once you click on the settings option, you have to go to the apps, then you have to click on the install apps, then you have to wait for a couple of seconds to get it loaded. And here you can see it is loading, and here you have to search for the Epic Games, and here you can see the Epic Game Launcher is here. You have to simply click on the three dot, then you have to click on the uninstall. After that it will most likely to uninstall your app. Then what you can do, the second method is go to the this PC from your computer, then go to the local disk. Then what you need to do is go to the Windows option, the program files option from here, and here you have to find out the Epic Games launcher here. But if you don't find it here, then what you can do is go back to the, and we are looking for the Epic Games, but here it not is. And thus what you can do is go to the program files into 86, and here you can see the Epic Games is here. You have to simply right click on it, then you have to click on the trash icon from here, and after that it will most likely to delete your account. If that's not working, then what you can do is go to the start button, then you have to search for the run option from here, and then here you have to search for the local app data, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to find out the Epic Games Launcher. Here you can see the Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher. You have to simply right click on both of these, then you have to click on the delete option. After that what you can do is just simply close this window, then you have to go to the run option again, and here you have to search for the temp, and here you can see we are searching for the temp, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to go to the window, then here you will get lots of files, then you have to simply control all, then you have to simply delete all of them by clicking on the delete button on your keyboard. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.